Good morning. Today I will show you a fantastic penthouse apartment for sale in Alassio. Just a few steps from the beaches in a really dominant location, surrounded by greenery and a beautiful sea view. As soon as you enter, the large windows immediately draw your attention through the sea, allowing natural light to fill the interiors all the day. The spacious and elegant living area opens directly into a panoramic sea view facing terrace, creating a seamless connection between the indoor and the outdoor space. This terrace is ideal for lunches, sunset aperitif, or simply relaxing while enjoying the peaceful surrounding of the Ligurian coast. The true highlight of this penthouse is the private rooftop solarium. Suspended between the sky and the sea, this exclusive outdoor space offers endless possibility. The apartment has two double bedrooms. One bedroom has a private bathroom and there is also a second bathroom and a practical laundry area. The property also includes a private parking space, a particularly valuable feature in Alassio. Located just a few minutes from the beaches and the center of Alassio, this penthouse is ideal as a prestigious main residence or an exclusive holiday home on Italian Riviera. This beautiful penthouse for sale in Alassio offers comfort and elegance, surrounded by greenery just a few steps from the beaches with a beautiful sea view. If you like to have more information, just follow us.